Okay, so 2 things. This will be a separate video. I want to focus on this. The Are We There Yet? First, okay, for cleaning, it has 9 alcohol prep pads, 9 aseptic wipes, 3 hand sanitizers. That's a good thing. I like those. For treating, 3 antibiotic ointment, which I can just take out because I'm going to anyway. You know. For protection, protect 20 shield bandages 1 inch by 3 inch, and the 5/8 by 2.5 inches of 15 of those. Hygiene is 10 toilet seat covers, 2 deodorant gels, which I'm getting rid of because I use baking soda and all that. 1 toilet paper, just the one. 1 flushable wet wipe and a body wipe. For essentials, examination gloves 3 pairs, 3 face masks, 1 first aid guide. I could have used my well, that was violent. This will be 1 second for you. I'll be like probably a minute for me. Okay, let's see how this does. Yeah, I'm wearing new pants and all that. I forgot. By the way, the expiration date. Wow, it was 11/22 or 22 this year. Okay, I'm getting some of the stuff out anyway, so it doesn't matter. Thank God for this. But yeah. Let's look up to the side so I can... Oh, it has this too, which is pretty cool. I can see myself using this as an inch item. Holy crap, there's a lot of stuff. Body gloves. Let's get all the stuff out to see what it is. Septic wipes. A crap ton. It's actually really nice. It's actually, you know, pretty cool. It has, what? Well, prep pads, deodorant gel, which I'm going to take out because I don't need. Deodorant gel. I call prep pads. Yeah, these are useless to me. Oh, but nice thing, they have dividers. So that's pretty nice. And Easter Lana. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Honestly, I like this. I think it's pretty nice. It has like dividers, which is pretty cool. Oh wow. Okay, so as you see that, it's like that, and you can just do this like this. That's nice. I'm only getting the stuff out that I don't actually need. That's it. I'm not kit bashing it. I'm keeping it as is. Oh god, let me get... Okay, this is going to take... Wait, where is it? Okay, so it's like this. Wait, what is this? Alcohol pad. This was falling out. Great. Oh well. Don't know what that is. But next thing. Toilet paper. That's nice. First aid guide. That's nice. A couple pairs. These are really nice to have. Honestly. A crap ton of bandages. Different size bandages. Toilet seat cover. I'm not going to be able to get that out. Am I? I don't know. What's that? What's behind it though? Is that behind there? No. Wait, yes I am. I could easily use this as something else. Pretty nice. This is actually a really good, I think, inch item. You know, because it has like different stuff and all that. Yeah. Pretty cool. These are really nice to have. This is definitely nice to have because it's basic. It's a basic guide. Literally, it's a basic guide. Has 2 sides to it. If I can open it. Okay. It has the Spanish side and English side. It's pretty cool, I think, because that's something they should really have, you know. Oh wait, this should go right here. It's actually really nice just to have. This is actually a pretty good thing, I think. I think it's a pretty good thing, honestly, because I like it. Let's see if I can actually get this back to it. Yes, I can. Nice. And that's what's in it. Yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, wait. Oh, God. I forgot to put the mask, which all looks like they're sealed. That's actually pretty good. A body wash. It's actually a pretty good, I think it's a very good inch item, to be honest. Let's just get real here. I think it's a pretty good inch item. And let me just do this like this. That'd be nice. I forgot about that. But yeah, I think it's a really good inch item, to be honest. You know, I did get a knife. It's a little cheapo knife, but oh well. And by the way, I always do this because it's easier. This is a nice little inch item. That's nice. Yeah. Now, I want to try this. I should try it in this video because let's just save time. Let's just save time. Shall we? I think we should save time either way because, yeah. I just want to see. Okay, so this is teriyaki. It's Beyond Meat Jerky. I kind of actually enjoy the other one. Let's do this. It costs $2 because it's plant-based jerky. I can't talk right now, can I? No, not. Anyway, I was in town and my appointment got canceled, supposedly. So, yeah, I ended up going to Walmart because I need to go to Walmart for a few things. Yeah. So, I think I should not waste time on another video of this because I'm going to eat all this anyway. So, anywho, no GMO, no soy, no gluten, which means it's, what is it then? Mung bean protein, and bean protein, all that. It's 10 grams of protein per serving. There is one package is a serving. That's cool. Now, I'm not video panning for no reason. It costs $2, by the way, which is in it. May 9th, 2023 is when it's Best Buy. So yeah, let's just get the. Where's the oxygen tool go? Oh god. Time? Oh god, where'd it go? Oh, here. Is it? Yes, it is. I'm eating these anyway. I like the original ones I had last time, so yeah. Put up. Needs more teriyaki flavor in my opinion. Because I like teriyaki. It's slow roasted and kettle cooked. Okay. It's good. Tastes like jerky. Like regular jerky. That has flavor to it. A little bit more. Okay. If the Beyond Meat people are watching, I say more teriyaki flavor. That would really help. I mean, it's all thanks. I'm hungry as heck. I haven't ate today. Pick up. That's what I say. If I ever do an inch bag, this is going in it. Good. That's good. I'm probably gonna eat all this anyway because I'm hungry. It looks like jerky too. Oh, last time I saw jerky. By the way, well, the only thing that's banned in America are these things like this, the hand sanitizer, whatever. Yeah. Oh, it's good. More teriyaki in my pan. And that, really good. It looks like jerky too, so oh, I like it. Has enough flavor to it, to where you know you're eating. It has the consistency and flavor of like jerky anyway. Of course, I like more flavor. It's a good snack. A good thing is to grab if you're hungry and like I don't have much money. Bam, you have yourself a little meal. That's really good. Now, this isn't doing it justice. That looks like jerky. Cause I don't know what teriyaki jerky looks like anymore. I know what beef jerky looks like. Cause it's the aisle. Like I wanted to get my pistachios and Dollar General. It's all the jerky. By the way, does zero sugar jerky taste like crap? I think I saw the Tillamook one. Yeah. It will also be a good hygiene kit. That's good. That's really, really good. I think I'm hungry. I mean, I had like maybe one impossible walk on the way home. I was driving. Yeah. Of course, I had to wait till I got here to start eating, so. He got jerky, I think. Anyway, I want to kill two birds with one stone. So, yeah. And if I... Wait a minute. Wait, I didn't see that, did I? No, wait. Okay, I want to say, I hope I don't have those, like, cheap whistles. Dear God. Oh, yeah. I also had a Boathouse Farms, the green immune system thing. Yeah. Pretty good. If I say try it. I say try it. It does have that consistency. That chewiness of beef jerky. Yeah. Wow, they use these for everything. Because my Nuck thing has these in black. Huh. This is so you can hang it on your bag or whatever. Oh yes, really good. Anyway, I'm not gonna let I'm not gonna let y'all like witness me eating all of this, but yeah, two birds, one stone. Impressed with this because I'm always impressed with these, with the Be Smart, Get Prepared ones. Honestly, the other thing I recommend is this one, the little small kit. I actually carry this. I actually kind of kit bash it with not Vaseline, but no, my other one, the Hiker Buddy, has the Vaseline in it. Yeah, I put a little thing of Vaseline in there. Anyway, chapstick. Anyway, hope you like. Peace, y'all.